Close the hands, cross fingers, place in front of your stomach. Lift, pass through nose, eyes look. As you expand towards the sky, lift your heel up and stand only on your toes. Inhale. Exhale. Place your heel down. Inhale. Lift your toes. Exhale. Inhale. Lift up on your toes. Stretch your body. Exhale. And body is loose. Inhale. Lift on your toes. Exhale. This is the first version of the advanced movement. The second one you can learn is place the foot flat. Inhale, stretch up like before. Exhale, bend at your waist and stretch one side of your body more. And inhale, body is upright. Exhale, lean to the side and stretch your body. Inhale, body upright. Exhale, lean to the side and stretch your body. Inhale, body upright. Exhale, stretch out to the side. And inhale, back to the center. Exhale, shoulder, chest down, hand closed. And drop both hands down to the side. Place your hands in front of your stomach and circle your neck. Remember to place your hands in front of your stomach so you will not feel dizzy as you circle your neck. Gently circle one direction, then the other direction. When we do the warm-up, do based on how you feel. If you feel good, you can do more. Second exercise, cross your fingers and rotate your wrist. Loosening the wrist, rotating in a circular motion. Third, we're going to loosen up our elbow. Pull the elbows back, circle the hands back and forward. When we pull back, palms facing up. When we circle hands forward, palms facing down. So now it's hands down, turn palms up, pull elbows back. Move gently as you can. When we do the warm-up, it's a natural flow. Nothing is forced. Number 4 exercise. We're going to place your hands in front of your chest and make a big circle of your elbows. This exercise will loosen up your shoulder. But we need to circle our elbow to loosen up the shoulders. Pull the elbows ends in front of you as close as possible. As gentle as you can do it. Number 5. we are going to circle our right arm backward. Circle the shoulders so the shoulders becomes more loose. Now we circled left shoulder. Shoulders and neck are one of the most important muscles for the modern people. Most people, when they have illness, most of it is tied to their neck or their shoulder, because the way we sit and the way we use our computers, we need to take care of those parts of the body. Next, circles one hand forward, one hand back. This might be a little bit challenging for the beginners, but keep it clear minds and do it slowly. You will figure this out. Make sure the shoulders are loose or not tight. If you're tight, you cannot rotate one forward and back at the same time. And now we switched to the opposite direction. Gentle and smooth, not forced. Next, we're going to learn to expand our chest. Cross the hands, turn palms up, open both hands to the side to feel the chest muscles stretched. Cross, bend, elbow. Cross, palms up, stretch the chest. Palms down, elbows bend, palms up, open chest. Move in a very smooth motions. Every time when you open your chest, feel your chest muscles are stretched outward. This exercise is very good to improve your lung capacity, helps you to breathe. Yes, cross and open, cross and open. The next exercise, hold both hand fists, elbow bend, shoulder level high, and twist your elbow into almost a 90-degree from your foot position. When we do this exercise, remember not to twist your knee. This exercise is to loosen up your back muscles and your waist. Sometimes when you work really hard or sitting for a long time, you may just select this exercise to loosen up your back muscle. Do it gentle, not forced. And now, the next exercise is called tapping. You turn your waist and you circle your arms. The front hand tap gently on your ribs and the back hand tap gently on your kidney. Tappings produce vibrations. This exercise vibrates all the internal organs, so the internal organs get a chance to move around. If we does not have proper exercise for the internal organs, one will only has good muscle, beautiful body, but body still not well. So internal organs wellness is very important. We use this exercise to make our internal organ strong. This is the same, but now the top hand circle tap down on the base of your neck, and the back hand still on the kidney. Neck is full of nerves, and this stimulate the nerve to make them more sharper. It's sort of like waking them up. Remember, tap gently. The next is, most of the people call it the hula hoop. Circle your hips, your waist, but the key is to keep your head in one spot. So it's only the midsection that does the circle. Keep your foot solid on the ground and head not move. Circle gently in one direction. And we circle the other direction. As we make the circle, you can feel your back muscles, your hip muscles, your leg muscles has a little stretched and loosen up at the same time. All those exercises, it's very good. You do not have to do it just before you practice Tai Chi. And now we are going to circle our knee. Knee is one of the most important joints in our body. We need to take care of it. When we circle the knee, make sure you do not circle too wide or too big. And make sure your both feet are flat on the ground. Circle gently. Taking care of the knee, it will take care how you walk. If your knee is sore or not able to move the way you want it, you will have a problem in your walking. And walking is the most based and most fundamental for our independence. So taking care of your knee by circle the knees. Circle in and circle out. There are two different directions. And finally, place your hands on your hip and circle your ankle. Make sure your head, body is naturally lined up upright. And don't move your head or your body. And just circle your ankle. Then circle the other direction. Always do your warm-up exercise before any other sports. And Tai Chi is the same. And now we may begin our Tai Chi practice.